Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Ford Focus ST and this is by Majorette. And so I usually don't save any Majorette cards. So let's unbox this like this. I really want to do it, for so long. So these are like 199 rupees per casting. As you can see here, that's MRP in India now. Please do not buy if it is, if someone is selling this more than 199. And yeah, so here is the casting itself. So the first impressions of this casting, this looks really nice. So it does have some paint issue here. You can see some paint bubbling, but it has acrylic, inserts for headlights, and the logo placement is really nice. You can see the logo is perfect, to be honest, and the grill is like they are embossed and engraved. So this is why I really love Majorette so much. For 199, they do all these things like acrylic inserts and everything. So it does have tail light details, logo on the rear, exhaust details. So it doesn't have much of a chassis detailing, but it has suspension. Yeah, it has suspension. So most of the Majorette actually has suspension apart from I think Audi R8 I guess. So which doesn't have a suspension. Okay, let's weigh this casting. It actually feels very light. Okay, that is 33 grams, not bad to be honest. Okay, let's put this aside and okay, sorry. So let's see what else is here. So it's been some time I actually unboxed a Majorette. So the wheels looks really nice. The wheels are actually plastic. So personally, I prefer plastic wheels because it rolls well in the track and it doesn't melt over time like rubber wheels. So okay, I used to keep this 1 inch height. Let's see. I don't know if this is 1 inch now, but let's do a roll test now. Okay, it rolls good, but not the best. Okay, let's do a third try. Okay, it does roll good. Maybe not the best, but it does roll good. It has a good interior detailing to it. So overall, it's a good casting. It does have some scratch in the windshield. So I didn't see this when I bought it. Usually it doesn't come with this much scratches and all. So even though I like Majorette a lot, but I just need to say I really don't like the scratches here. It has wind wipers, the wiper detailing here. It has rear view mirrors as well. It's a solid casting if you ask me. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, it's a thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.